GMR Hyderabad CEO highlights flaws in the open sky policy for air cargo.
In the case of air cargo, there is an open sky policy, except for the fact that they are not allowing for a same aircraft to keep landing in more than multiple locations, except with specific permission. So certain airlines have been allowed to undertake that. So there is a need for that permission to be extended for some more time, because Indian carriers do not have the freighter capacity today, and therefore there's a need for the foreign freighters to come in and be allowed to take cargo from different locations, because that would improve the ability for airports to send out cargo, and also farmer and other exporters to send their products out. If we take that ability out from the hands of the cargo capacity, what happens is there is a possibility that the Indian exporter would suffer, because the Indian exporter is actually a part of a full chain or a full system. And if the system fails at some point, there will be other exporters from other countries coming and picking it up. So there is a very critical element that till our own Indian carriers are able to set up the capability to handle direct flights, there is a need for the policymakers to take a look at allowing the multiple stops for the same foreign carrier.
The Mumbai Port Trust is committed to implementing additional measures to reduce carbon emissions and promote sustainable growth.
We have already inventorized our all Scope 1 and Scope 2 emissions, and we have recently also just completed our Scope 3 emissions report as well, which is going to be finalized. So based on these reports, actually we have prepared our mitigation plans till 2030, that how are we going to reduce our Scope 1 and Scope 2 emission footprint. Along with Mumbai Port, we are going to help our other sister major ports as well as any other port which may like to seek guidance from us. We are trying to engage ourselves with various organizations which can plan projects, do policy interventions together, so that with the help of these pilots we can take bigger steps in reducing the carbon footprint.
Maersk Line India discusses the current challenges within the cold chain industry.
Customer really ends up spending a lot of time is on temperature integrity. Okay, I think that would be highest in the customer's pain point list. If you were to ask me what is it that a customer really wants, they want reliable solutions. They want solutions that end up meeting their quality standards. So I would say that is the biggest challenge right now.
Etihad Cargo increases its belly hold cargo capacity across key global markets. Starting November 2024, the enhanced schedule will introduce additional frequencies to existing routes and a new passenger destination, Nairobi.